Friends, welcome to practice questions for term 1 as per CBSE guidelines. So we are discussing about the class 10th subject science and chapter life process. So in first video, I have given the questions to practice about nutrition and respiration. So in this today's second part, we are going to discuss the remaining two important questions in the form of MCQs and case-based and even assertion and reasoning. So dear students, what you have to do? So whenever the first question will come like this, so you read the question, pause the video, write the answer on a plain paper, whether the answer is A, B, C or D. Then play again video and find your answer. So here answer will be shown in the form of the font color change. So like this, you practice all the questions which is coming on each slide, and then give 1 mark weightage to each question. Then find out how much you have scored. Then you can practice this as you wish. Well, so let's begin with the first question of a multiple choice. The figure given shows a schematic plan of a blood circulation in humans with label 1 to 4. Identify the correct label with its function. Now you can see here. A, pulmonary vein takes impure blood from the body part. A second, the pulmonary artery takes blood from lungs to heart. A third, aorta takes blood from heart to body parts. A fourth, vena cava takes blood from body parts to right auricle. Now pause the video, write the answer, then check it. So well, the correct answer is, that is the fourth part here labeled as a vena cava. It takes the blood from body parts to right auricle. Here it will take. So this is the correct label. Second, identify the phase of circulation which is represented in the diagram of heart given below. You can see here the arrow indicates contraction of these chambers. Now find out what is the correct statement given from A, B, C, D. Pause the video, write the answer, check it. Yes, the correct answer is, that is B. Blood is transferred to lungs for oxygenation when these ventricles are pumped, and the left ventricle pump, it will transfer the oxygenated blood to all body parts simultaneously. So this is contraction of ventricles. Go to the next. The image shows the transport of gases in body through heart and lungs. See, there is a heart and over here there is a lungs. Which option correctly shows the transport of oxygen to the cell? Now from A, B, C, D given, find out the correct pathway. Pause the video, write the answer, check it. Yes, so the correct answer is A, lungs. So from lungs, it will go to the pulmonary vein to the left atrium. From left atrium, it will go to the left ventricle. From left ventricle, it will go to the main artery aorta and to the body cells. So among these, this is the correct option. Next question. Which chamber of heart has thick wall compared to all others? You can see the diagram. Based on the diagram, which one has the thick wall? Pause the video, write the answer, check it. Yes. So the correct answer is left ventricle, because it will pump the pure blood, oxygenated blood all over the body. So therefore, you should generate the high pressure. So therefore, it has a thick wall. Next question. The image shows oxygenated and deoxygenated blood in the human heart. What is the direction of deoxygenated blood from right atrium of the heart? Now find out where is the right atrium, and you can see these arrow marks. So from the arrow mark, you identify which is the correct direction. So the correct answer is towards the lungs. Well, the image shows the circulation of blood in fishes. Which option correctly traces the pathway of blood flow in fish body? Now read all the options, pause the video, write the answer, check it. Yes. So the correct answer is the second B, gill capillaries. From gill capillaries, it will collect the oxygen, it will become oxygenated blood. Then it will supply to body cells. From body cells, the deoxygenated blood will come to the heart, and heart will again pump to the gills, because fish shows single circulation and fish heart is only pump deoxygenated blood. So therefore, it is also called venous blood. Next question. The image shows the circulation of blood in fishes and humans. First diagram, fish. Second diagram, human. How is the circulation of blood in fish different from that in humans? Read the all options, pause the video, write the answer, check it. Yes. So the correct answer is C. The blood goes through heart only once in fishes. That is single circulation. But in a human beings, it is double circulation. The blood flows twice through the heart. So that is the basic difference. Okay. And here 2-chamber heart, there is 4-chamber heart. Go to the next question. The image shows the structure of artery. You can see this is the structure of artery. Which statement supports the likely reason for a thick walls in artery? Why the walls of arteries are thick? Read the options, pause the video, write the answer, check it. Yes. Always you pause, write, then check. Yes. So the correct answer is to sustain the high pressure blood from the heart. That is we call systolic pressure. And the systolic pressure is around 120 millimeter of mercury when you measure it through sphygmomanometer. Question next, 9th. The image shows the healing of wound. Based on the image, what explains the process? See the diagram very correctly. Read the all options, pause the video, write the answer, check it. Yes. The correct answer is A. Platelets form a clot by plugging the site of injury. Remaining, there is no any correct explanation related to this diagram. Next question. 10th, how water is taken up from soil to the xylem tissue of the plant roots? Read the options, pause the video, write the correct option, then check it. Yes. The correct answer is, that is D. So difference in the ion concentration. So ions will move actively from soil to root cell. So due to that, there is a concentration gradient, and therefore the water is low inside compared to outside, and the water will move from high concentration to low concentration, that is from soil to root cell. And that is the main reason. 11. A student performs an experiment using a blossom plant, that is Gauri plant. Intact stem, leaves, roots, and flowers. The plant was kept in a test tube containing eucene solution, that is dye, pink color. The test tube mouth was covered using a cotton plug as shown in the diagram, so there should not any evaporation. And the student kept the plant undisturbed in the lab. After 2-3 hours, a transverse section of the stem was taken using the scissor and studied under the microscope. So he revealed the presence of pink color in the vessels of xylem. So what does this observation explain to him? Write the answer, pause the video, then check it. Okay, so the correct answer is B, that is water moves through the xylem in the plant. So that is water conducting tissue, and wherever that water will move, along with that, that eucine stain also move, and that will give color to the xylem. Okay. Question number 12. The loss of water from the leaves of the plant is transpiration. How this process is advantageous for the plant? How it is a benefit? Pause the video, write the answer, check it once again. Yes, the correct answer is B. It helps to plant to maintain the temperature in hot sunny days. Because in other options, downward is given, it is upward. It is driving force for distribution of food. No, that will help the phloem and ATP. Helps to maintain the constant level of water in the soil. Doesn't play its role. Come to the 13th question. A student set up an experiment using well-watered plant. The plant's roots and soil were covered with a rubber sheet. The plant was then kept in a glass bell jar and sealed with a Vaseline to make it airtight to prevent the flow of air. Then the student keeps these apparatus in the light and observe the water drops inside the bell jar here. So what he can be evaluated about this transpiration from this experiment? Pause the video, write the options, then check it. Yes, the correct answer is that is A. The plant leaves give off water in the form of vapors, and due to that, here the water droplets are get accumulated. Okay, remaining are the not correct explanation. 14th question. The image shows the transport of food material inside plant body with the help of phloem. Phloem is a food conducting tissue. How is food transported from phloem to the tissue according to the plant's need? I'll read all the options A, B, C, D. Pause the video, write the correct answer, then you check. Stop. Yes, so the correct answer is D. Food is transported from a region of where it is produced, that is higher concentration, to the parts of plant, there is where the concentration gradient is low. That is from leaf to different parts of the plant body by using ATP energy. We have studied this one. 15th question. The image shows the movement of sucrose into the phloem. You can see the arrow mark, xylem is here, phloem is here, and you can see this one, sieve tubes are there. Against the concentration gradient, which also leads to the movement of water due to osmotic difference. This osmotic pressure allows the movement of material in plant body. How the movement of sucrose into phloem takes place initially. I read all the 4 options, write the correct answer by pausing the video, then check it. 1, yes. Yes. So the correct answer is C, with the help of ATP molecules, because it is active process. It will use the ATP to move that food from higher concentration to lower concentration. Question number 16. The image shows the excretory system in human beings. You can see this image. And here, what is the importance of the label part in excretory system? So this part is labeled as a X. What is the role of this in the system? Read the options, write the correct option, and then pause the video and check it. Yes. So the correct answer is C. It stores the urine till urination. So it is a urinary bladder. Remaining, kidney filters, ureter carry the urine to the urinary bladder, urethra expel outside the body. Question 17th. The image shows the structure of nephron. Nephron is a unit of filtration in kidney that filters the waste material. It selectively reabsorbs or excretes water with the help of capillaries that around it. You can see the capillaries. What is the likely benefit of this? Read the options, pause the video, write the correct answer, then check it. Yes. The correct answer is D. By doing this, it maintains the concentration of urine based on the amount of water present in the body. So in summer season, the body needs more, so it cannot expel more water. In winter or rainy season, so water requirement is less, so it will dilute, urine will be passed. So this is what you have studied. 18th question. The function of the glomerulus and Bowman capsule of the nephron is to read the all four options, write the correct answer by pausing the video, and then check. Yes, the correct answer is D. So they will filter the blood and collect the filtrate. They will collect the filtrate. Now question number 19. Choose the correct statement that describe the arteries. So the structure of arteries is given here. Read one by one very carefully by pausing the video. Then write the answer. Check the answer. Yes. So the correct answer is D. So arteries have thick elastic walls without walls inside. Walls are present in veins. So your blood flows under high pressure, low pressure in vein, and carry blood away from the heart to different parts of the body. So this is the correct answer. Now question number 20. The diagram below represents a group of organs in the human body. Urine leaves the urinary bladder by passing through the structure. What is that structure labeled as? A, B, C, or D? Pause the video, write the answer, check it. Yes. So the correct answer is D, that is urethra. It will pass the urine outside the body. And remaining parts already we have explained. Now come to the case-based multiple choice questions. So given below is the diagram representing the four heart chamber A, B, C, D, right side, left side, and the arrow marks indicates the direction of your blood flow. Now based on this diagram, read the answer questions given, find the correct option A, B, C, D by pausing the video. First one is, in which group of organism this kind of circulation is found? Fish, amphibians, reptiles, and mammals. Pause the video, write the answer, check it. So the correct answer is mammals. Very good. Next question. Now you solve both the second and three by pausing the video. Write the correct answer and then check. Which chamber receives oxygenated blood? D, C, A, B. Third, name the blood vessel that brings blood to chamber A. Pause the video, write the answer, check it. Yes, second one is C, that is left atrium receive. Third one is that is vena cava because it is a right atrium. So all impure blood will come to the A chamber. Question number 4, name the chamber marked as a D and specify whether it will receive oxygenated blood or deoxygenated blood. Pause the video, write the answer, then check it. Correct answer is that is C, right ventricle, and it will receive a oxygenated blood. So that is the correct option. Okay. Now, third category questions, assertion and reasoning. Select the correct answer to these questions from the given course A, B, C, D. Then read the questions which are given, like question number 1. Read the assertion, like blood pressure is arterial blood pressure, and reason it is measured by sphygmomanometer. Now pause the video, write the code whether A, B, C, or D, then check it. Yes. So the correct answer is B because both are true, but R is not a correct explanation. Next question. Assertion, Pisces have two chamber heart. Reason, in Pisces, single circulation of blood takes place. Pause the video, write the answer, check it. Yes, the correct answer is that is A, because here both are true and it is a correct explanation. Third, assertion. Left ventricle contracts and forcing blood out of the heart and around the body. Reason, pressure in arteries during this is very low. Pause the video, write the answer, check it. Yes, the correct option is C, because A is true and R is false. Question number 4. Assertion, plant waste products are stored in cellular vacuoles. Oxygen is a waste product generated during photosynthesis, removed by diffusion. Pause the video, write the code, then check it. Yes, B, both are true, but explanation is not correct. Next question, 5. Transpiration helps to pull water during night. Reason, the effect of root pressure in transport of water is more important at night. Pause the video, write the answer, check it. Yes, the correct answer is D, because A is false and R is true. Next, assertion. Release of energy is more anaerobic respiration compared to aerobic. Reason, each glucose molecule release energy, water and carbon dioxide in aerobic respiration. Pause the video, write the answer, check it. Well, so the answer is D, because A is false, R is true. 7. Desert plants open their stomata during night to prevent the loss of water. Reason, God cells open the aperture when they gain the water. Pause the video, write the options, check it. Yes, so the correct option is B, both are true, but explanation is not true. So like this, friends, you can solve more and more questions. Again, I will come with a new different kinds of questions so that help you to prepare well in your coming term 1 test. So thank you very much for joining the Gopal Tech biology lessons for 10th class. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Enjoy.